Hello and welcome to EduSpark Global. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to solve mole-to-mole stoichiometry. The first question I have here says, ammonia is produced according to the following reaction. If 9 moles of hydrogen gas reacts completely with excess nitrogen gas, how many moles of ammonia can be produced? So to solve this, we will start with the given value, the 9 moles of hydrogen gas. So we have 9 moles of H2. Then we're going to compare this with the ratios of hydrogen and ammonia. So ammonia is what we're trying to convert to, and hydrogen is a starting material. So in this equation, we have 2 moles of ammonia. So we're going to say 2 moles NH3. Then divide by the mole of the starting value, which is 3 moles hydrogen. So the idea is to keep the moles of hydrogen on the opposite side so they can cancel, leaving us with the moles of ammonia, which is exactly what they want us to solve for. So 9 times 2 divided by 3 is going to give us 6 moles of ammonia. Okay. Now the next question, it says, according to the equation, Mg plus 2HCl to give MgCl2 plus H2. If 0.48 mole of magnesium reacts completely, what amount in moles of HCl is needed? So, as usual, start with the 0.48 moles of magnesium. And then go from mole magnesium to mole of the unknown. So the one you're trying to find, which is HCl. In this equation, we have 2 moles of HCl. Then divide that by 1 mole of magnesium. Okay? So the mole magnesiums will cancel out, and that leaves us with 0.48 times 2 divided by 1, that would be 0.96 mole of HCl. So this is how you can solve mole-to-mole type stoichiometry conversions or problems. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to follow us for more chemistry videos like this and share to your friends who this might help. And have a wonderful day. Bye for now and see you in our next video.